Welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn English. Come on students, we will move to the lesson.
Today's subject is English of Standard First and name of the lesson is Sham's Horse Cart. Dear children, you know that here Sham means a name of a child. See this? He is Sham. And what is the meaning of horse cart? See here. This is horse cart. Okay? Now see here. This is, what is the name of this? Yes, you can see here bullocks and this is cart. So it is called as bullock cart. Right? Bullock plus cart, it makes bullock cart. And see this? This is horse and this is cart. Isn't it? So together make horse cart. Did you understand the meaning of horse cart? Okay. Now we will go to the story. A very nice story is there. We will go through. Okay. Sham's horse cart. Look, listen and read aloud. Yes, dear students, this is a lesson. You have to look, listen and read aloud. Okay, with proper pronunciation. Okay, shall we move? Sham started in his horse cart to go to the fair. See, Sham is sitting in his horse cart and he is moving to the fair. Fair means Mela. In Marathi, Jatra. Okay, Sham started in his horse cart, horse cart to go to the fair. Okay. On the way, Madhu and Meera said, two girls, name is Madhu and her name is Meera. They both came in front of this horse cart and they said, can we come? They asked Sham, can we come? हम भी आ सकते हैं आपके साथ? Oh yes, said Sham. What said? Oh yes, you can come with me, said Sham. So Madhu, Meera and Sham together they moved to the fair. Okay, on his horse cart. Now the dog saw them. See here, you can see the dog, right? The dog on the way, he saw them and he asked, can I come? Yes, he too asked the same thing. He also wanted to go to fair. So he asked, can I come? मैं भी आ सकता हूँ? Oh yes, said Sham. Okay, and now who all are in the cart? See this, Sham, Madhu, Meera and dog together started to the fair. Okay. Then what happened? Then they were going through the fields. And the peacock saw them. In the field, peacock was there. It saw them and asked, can I come to the fair? Then Sham said, oh yes, you also can join us. Okay, got this? First Madhu and Meera, they joined. Then dog joined them. And now peacock. Okay, here now you can see Sham, Madhu, Meera dog and peacock. All together they started to the fair on his horse cart. Okay. Next, what happened while they are moving? When they were crossing the river, a river was there on the way. When they were crossing the river, who came? The frog. Frog came up from the water. The frog asked, "Can I come to the fair?" Then, "Oh yes," said all of them together. They said, "Yes, come frog and join us." Now, how many were there now? Sham said, "Come and sit near me." Now see, this Sham, Madhu, Meera, dog, peacock and frog. Can you see here? All started to move to the fair, and they saw the fair from a distance. They reached near to the fair and they saw the fair. You can see here, this is Mela. What it is? Mela or fair in English. Okay, see this. Now the peacock was so happy. It spread its feathers and started dancing. See, because it became happy and it started dancing. Who? Peacock. Okay. Now, at that time, what happened? But one feather touched the dog's ear. Dog was sitting there near to the peacock, right? Can you see in the cart? Okay. Then one feather touched the dog's ear, and because of that, he sprang up and barked loudly. Bow, 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 bow. Like that, he started barking. And listening to this, what happened? Madhu was frightened. Meera fell on the frog. The frog fell on the horse. Can you see here? The frog fell on the horse. The horse was so frightened that he ran helter-skelter. Got this? Because of the barking of the dog, everything changed. The frog jumped on the horse and horse frightened and it ran helter-skelter, means anywhere. It started to run because it frightened. See. Okay. Then what happened? Oh, see this. Sham fell off. Then Madhu and Meera also fell off. One by one, all of them fell off. Can you see here? Madhu, Meera, and Sham, they all fell off. Peacock came down, frog is down, dog is also there, and horse is running here and there. Right? Afterwards, the horse kept running and stopped when it reached near the fair. It calmed down and it stopped near the fair. Okay. Sham, Madhu, Meera, the dog, the peacock, and the frog were all panting when they reached. Yes, they too reached near to the fair and they met their horse cart. Okay. Till then, the horse became quiet and relaxed. In the evening, they returned happily in the horse cart. So nice story, na? Yes, dear children, this is all about Sham's horse cart. Now, we will move to the exercise part. Okay? Here, question number 2. Listen, tell, and write. Okay? Listen, tell, and write. See, example is given. One bird. You know what is the meaning of one egg? One bird. The You have to write like this. Many birds. See here, many means बहुत सारे. Correct? Many बोला तो बहुत सारे. Bird. It became birds. Yes, we have added here. Okay, here it is bird. Here it is birds. When we add many, then we have to write S in front of this word. Okay, one bird, many birds. Come on, tell behind me. One bird, many birds. Okay, next one is one dog, a single dog. What is the plural? You have to write many dogs. Okay, one dog, many dogs. बहुत सारे कुत्ते. Okay, next one peacock. Yes, what to write here? Many. Come on, many peacocks. Very good. One peacock, many peacocks. Next one is one horse. Yes, many horses. Very good. Again, you have to add S here. Okay, one horse, many horses. Next is one field. One field, many fields. Then one feather, many feathers. Got this? Again, we will repeat all this. One dog, many dogs. One peacock, many peacocks. One horse, many horses. One field, many fields. One feather, many feathers. Okay? Sixth one is one river, nadi. One river, many rivers. Next is one thing, many things. Correct? One banana, kela, many bananas. Next, one frog, many frogs. One room, many rooms. We will repeat once again. One river, many rivers. One thing, many things. One banana, many bananas. One frog, many frogs. One room, many rooms. Got this, children? Good. Now next is look and say. Okay, look this and you have to read this. HORSECART. What is this? Horse cart. Isn't it? Horse cart. Next, PEACOCK. 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 FIELDS. Fields. Try to read along with me. FAIR. Fair. COME. Calm. NEAR. Near. पास में. FROG. Frog. AGAI. N. Again. P A N T I N G. Panting. Q U R E T. Quiet. H A P P I L Y. What is this? Happily. Right? S P R A N G. Sprang. Got this? Now once again we will read horse cart, peacock, fields, fair, come, near, frog, again, panting, quiet, happily, sprang. Okay? Try to read this properly. Okay? Now write who went to the fair with Sham. Yes, you know who were all there in the cart. Okay, we will write here. Madhu, Meera, dog, peacock and frog went to the fair with Sham. Right? Right. Who went to the fair with Sham? You know this Madhu, Meera, dog, peacock, frog. They all went along with Sham to the fair. Isn't it? Good. Next question is, why did the horse run helter-skelter? Again, why did the horse run helter-skelter? इधर उधर क्यों भाग रहा था? The horse ran helter-skelter because it was frightened of the frog. Right? Frog से वो डर गया. So it ran helter-skelter. Right? Next, classify the following animals as domestic animals and wild animals. Domestic means pet animals, जो हम लोग घर में रखते हैं. Wild animals means they live in forests, जंगल में रहने वाले. Okay? We will classify these animals. This is dog, horse, lion, elephant, cow, peacock, cat. Okay? We will try to classify them. We will make two tables like this. Two columns of one table. This is domestic animals means pet animals जो हम लोग घर में रख सकते हैं. पालतू जानवर. Wild animals means जंगली जानवर. Okay. Now first one is dog. Where to write dog? Is that domestic or wild? Dog is domestic animal, isn't it? What about horse? Yes, horse is a domestic animal. What about lion? Third one is lion. What about this? Lion is a wild animal, isn't it? Then what about elephant? We can see elephant in jungles, right? Then cow, guy. Yes, this is a pet animal. Then peacock. Peacock we will write under wild animal. We can see peacock in the zoo also, right? Cat. Yes, this is a domestic animal. Got the meaning of domestic animals and wild animals? Domestic means पालतू जानवर जिसको हम लोग पाल लेते हैं. And wild means जंगली जानवर. Okay? Shall we move further? Write the names of any 5 vehicles. Vehicles means, you know? Right. We will write the names of 5 vehicles. See this. What is this? What is the name of this vehicle? Yes, this is car. Right? Next, see this. What is the name of this vehicle? This is a two-wheeler. Car is four-wheeler. Isn't it? The name of this two-wheeler that we call motorcycle. Right? Next, what is this? It is flying in the sky. Yes, very good. The name of this vehicle is aeroplane. Next, yes, what is this moving? This is truck. It carries loads from one place to another. What is this? You are very familiar with this? Yes, auto rickshaw. We say auto, correct? Auto rickshaw. These are vehicles. Okay. Try to list some more vehicles in your notebook. Write the names of things you see in the fair. Fair means mela, otherwise jatra. Okay. What you all see there, we have to make a list. First we will see what all is there in our fair. Now in Sham's fair, correct? See this? These are different types of rides. You know, these all fairs, these all rides, isn't it? Giant wheel, Tora Tora, and what is this? D2, nitrogen. These are different types of rides. We enjoy in them, right? And in fair we can see so many stalls, eating stalls. We get the earrings, bangles, toys, and mirror house, magic house. So many types we can see. We enjoy in the fair, isn't it? One more picture I will show you. See this. Here we will mention what all is there. See, this is called giant wheel. Okay, this is tent. Second word tent you can write. Then circus. You can see here joker, right? We can see lighting. These are also stalls. See, one stall, two stalls. You can see here. We will get eatables, snacks. And you can see here toy train. It is moving. See, this is a toy train. We can enjoy toy train also in the fair. We can enjoy different types of rides. We get entertainment. We can see the movies. We can see the circus. Correct? Here also you can see this different types of tents. Each tent has surprise for us. Correct? This is about the fair. You can list the different things from the fair. Okay? Now unscramble the words. Unscrambling means you can see here. Okay, something is written here. ROHSERACT. One more. PAEOKCC. We don't know this, right? I don't know this. I think you also don't know. Okay, now we will unscramble. Anyhow it is written. What we will do? We will unscramble. these alphabets and then we will get a meaningful word. Okay, we will try to do this first one. How many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 letters are there. We will make and we will write them in the order so that we will get a meaningful word. This is called unscrambling. Okay, now I will take this H first, then O, yes, R, then S, E, yes, I got here horse. From this lesson I know the word horse, cart, right? So I will try to unscramble this also. This cart, this horse I got here, cart. C first, then A, then R, then T. Good. We got the word horse cart. You know this, correct? Horse cart. And one more word we have to unscramble. Here this, guess. This also from your story only. That is Sham's horse cart. Yes, very good. You are right. We will start writing. Okay. P, E, A, C, O, C and K. Very good. Peacock. You guessed properly. This is the name of this bird, that is peacock. Right? See here. 3 more words are there. Okay. We have to unscramble this. See this IELFD. Yes, this is also from your lesson only. Try to write this. Correct. FIELD. Field. Very good. What is the meaning of field? Kheti. See, this is a field. Remember the word and remember the picture also. Okay. Now this TOY. Toy. This is the right word. Correct? Toy. You know the meaning of toy? Toy, sorry. You know the meaning of toy, isn't it? See, this is a toy. Khilona. Then what about this one? IRAF. Guess. Yes, this is FAIR. Fair. Mela. Correct? This is nothing but fair. Okay? Bye bye, children. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, take care.
Thank you very much, students, for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new updated videos.